Well, this is interesting.
What?
Oh.
Than there is of here. It's okay. He just ate too much coffee.
Look at my. Oh.
Cat.
But even small people can have big voices.
Could be getting bad case of the giggles.
Stitch, I think all done? Good.
Whoa, good one, Blue.
Free soda. Free. What?
Could it be all that food that French Fry made? It's hotcakes. And Stitch drank the profits.
Hey, that was for Lilo.
Garlic? Ooh, garlic burp. Good job, Stitch.
He has my drink.
Stitch, give the nice boy back his pineapple pizzazz. Sorry about